Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a Loly in the Sky unboxing. This is the Loly in the Sky collection with the Mexico. Well, it's not really. Well, it's in Latin America, mostly. Yeah, Mexico. So if you guys haven't seen my other Loly in the Sky unboxing, I will put it in the link below. But this is my first reaction on my Loly in the Sky collection. I got the boots and a jacket. So let's get started. Oh, this is so cute. I've never bought clothes from there, so I'm not sure how it's gonna look or how I like it. Oh, this is so cute. It's a sticker. Is it a sticker? I think it's a sticker. It says Loly in the Sky. It says, "Hello, Loly, we can do it." So it's from the Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty with Loly, but it's like the Loly girl, like we can do it. So it's all inspired with that. So here you go. It's all in Spanish. So you could only order in Latin America. It doesn't come to the US. So I had to get somebody to order it for me in Mexico. And then because the company is originated in Mexico, and then they shipped it over to me. So it's really cute. Look, I love the detail on it. So it comes with a little pin. And it says, "Hello, Loly, we can do it." And it's all in Spanish. So it's really cute. I liked it. Oh, it's leather. I thought it was going to be just like ironed on. I don't know if you guys can see that. The detail on it. I really like it. And then it says we can do it. Oh, I really like it. I don't know if you guys can see. But it feels good quality. Let's see the buttons. The buttons are just plain. It's really nice. Let's see the inside. Sometimes Loly has really cute designs inside. No, it just says Loly in the Sky. CH is for small. So I ordered it in a small size. It doesn't have lining inside. It's just, let me see if I couldn't do it for you guys. Well, I'll just post a picture. I'll put a picture of me wearing it, but look, it's pretty plain. So it's just, we can do it. And then of course Loly always has the Loly signature on the bottom. And then they had like an offer going on that if you buy something, I don't remember if there was a limit, but they were going to give you a free shirt. So they emailed me and they gave me this free shirt. This collection does come with the red shirt. If I can find it, I'll insert it below so you guys can see. But this was a free shirt. They just told me to pick a size. So it's CH, small. Let's hope it fits me and it's not too big, but I mean too small. And then same thing, they sent me another one Loly from the Loly thing that you can do it. And then, oh, comes with the dust bag. Oh, okay, so this is because I'm guessing the shirt was in here. I didn't open it. I got it like this, so I'm not sure. Oh, okay, they sent me a sample from their fragrance, Good Vibes. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then they send Believe. This is so cute. I love the detail in their stuff. It's like really cute. Look, let's scan. Like they have so much cute detail in their items. Look, see? It says made in Mexico and enjoy them. This is a cute little dust bag. Maybe for the shoes, because I did order the boots. Okay, so let's open the boots. So these in the picture. I only saw them in the picture. Oh, I was getting asked if you can buy these with a PayPal account. Yes, so I paid with my American PayPal account and I shipped them to Mexico. So you could pay, you know, if you have a family member or a friend or, you know, vacation home or somebody that lives in Mexico or anywhere in Latin America, that they do ship over there. Or if you can find them from a reseller that can ship them to you. But it has the same design as a jacket, and they came out with different shoes. Look, and then the little Loly, we can do it. And it has a little stars, really cute. And the bottom's just plain. If you guys saw my other sneakers, they did have a cute design on the back. So I'm like looking to see how it has. They're very like plain but cute. Let's see if there's anything inside. My other ones had like designs inside. So let's see these. Nope, this is just plain. I don't know if you guys can see it. It just says Loly in the Sky. And it has with Hello Kitty. You guys can see that. It's kind of dark. But yeah, there's nothing else. I'm going to try them on and let you guys know what I think. Oh, there's like a scratch or something there. But anyways, really cute, and that's what I purchased. So I just got this in the jacket, and I got the shirt for free. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this collection, I will leave a link below where you can get it in Mexico. Like I said, they were made in Mexico. And then all this, I'm not sure what material this is made out of. I was reading all their shoes are like animal free and all their materials, I think. They're not, this is not leather. This is another type of material. They don't make any, I think everything's like vegan or something. I'm not sure. Probably advertising wrong. But yeah, and then you can follow, here, let me show you guys the box. It says you can follow them. You can follow them on Instagram and Facebook. So this is really cute. I think their boxes are so cute, and all the detail and that goes in the boxes, look. So I think it's really cute. Anyway, so yeah, this is the collection of the items I got. So stay tuned for next video. See you guys next time.